Hello, I want to show you Fortador interior cleaner for leather, how nice it works with the special work stuff that makes foam. It's really clean the leather. And a bit more. So now we're gonna see the difference between clean leather and dirty leather. Here we are. You can see the clean leather is matte. Here is shiny, here is clean. So for this, after we apply Fortador leather, wait 1 second. This is Fortador special dressing with avocado oil that protects the leather and the plastics. Just a little bit like this. Tuck, tuck, tuck. It keeps the leather soft and nice and clean. So, you see, this is the clean shine and this is the dirt shine. Okay.